Now let's look at the monthly budget breakdown. This chart gives you a quick overview of how your monthly budget is divided across each category. As you add or update your budgeted amounts throughout the planner, both the bar chart and the pie chart update automatically. The horizontal bars show how much of your total monthly budget has been allocated to each category, while the percentages show what portion of your overall budget each category represents. The pie chart on the right provides the same information in a visual format, making it easy to see where most of your money is planned to go each month. This is a great way to spot imbalances in your budget. For example, you may notice you're spending more than you'd like in one category, or discover that you aren't setting enough aside for savings. As your financial priorities change, simply update your budget amounts, and the monthly budget breakdown will automatically adjust to reflect your new plan. Keep in mind that this chart is based on the amounts you've budgeted, not what you've actually spent. In the next section, we'll look at the Spending Insights page, where you can compare your planned budget with your actual spending.